Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Deep South Bayou Diesel. I don't know if the film quality is any different than it normally is. If you notice a difference in the film quality or the sound quality, it's because I had to downgrade back down to the phone I had before my new phone. This is a Motorola Moto 1, and I had the Motorola Edge 2021 model. This Moto 1 is a 2018 or 2019 model, so it's a bit dated. I am planning on upgrading to the same phone that my wife has. She said that I'd probably really love that phone. It's a 2022 Motorola Edge. So here's what we've got going. I am a little low on diesel. Low-ish. I put $10 in here. No, I did put 5 on the diesel. That's another YouTuber. 5 on the diesel. Anyway, I drove this truck to work once. To work, it drove just fine. On the way back, it was an embarrassment. It was a straight embarrassment. I drove it yesterday. Family and I piled up into it. That's why the car seats are still back there. We took it to the grocery store yesterday and then today. It drove a little bit better today than yesterday, but that's also because today I put some Marvel Mystery Oil. My wife had looked up some information, and she said that Marvel Mystery Oil is actually good for helping with stiction. You can put it in the oil, because I'm still waiting for my oil filter cap and my fuel filter caps to come in. So yeah, I ordered them instead of getting them locally. So sounds pretty good. But anyway, yeah. I'm planning to do the oil change, and I have Hot Shot Secrets stiction eliminator. I know that after I put the Marvel Mystery Oil directly in the oil, my wife had to run into Dollar General, and while we were sitting there, the kids and I sat in the truck and waited, and the truck's idle smoothed out a little bit. I mean, it went back to being a little bit rough, but it smoothed out. That tells me that yes, it's stiction, and it is that number 3 cylinder. Yeah, if you guys recognize where we're going back to that straight stretch. I noticed something else. Once you get into this little area, the temperature drops, so the air gets a little denser, so this thing really wants to run. So, you know, you guys are going to get a chance to hear the potential that this truck has. I mean, it's gotten better and better. Today is Friday. I worked out today. So, when I say I work out, I didn't mean go to the gym. That's what we call finishing work. And this thing also gets up to speed a lot easier as well. I've reviewed a lot of my videos that I've posted, and when I'm trying to show you guys like how this truck performs, I don't shut the hell up. And I don't like that. Like, I get irritated with my own videos, and I'm trying to increase my views. So I figure when I'm doing this, I shut the hell up. But through here, as you can see, you know, it's completely covered, you know, trees on both sides, and it's, you know, kind of like a canopy up here, as you can see. So the air is just denser through here, even though it's just momentary. But me coming through here and getting down on it, and these ruts, or not ruts, but the, you know, fresh tire marks, that was me. But this truck just loves it. I mean, I hope the camera is picking up how beautiful this truck sounds. Hug the center. Let's go. So, yeah, this truck runs a hell of a lot better. I honestly believe that, oh, it's a good thing I slowed my ass down. There's a vehicle coming. Oh, those are the people that said I'm okay coming through here. I'm not going to put them on camera because they didn't ask me to. I'm not rude like that, and I'm not going to get them on camera either. But, yeah. I believe that doing the oil change, if that doesn't help, then changing the injector, problem solved. But I'm gonna take my butt to the house. I'm getting hungry, and I believe that they've had time to get where they needed to go. I don't want, because I'm about to fly through here, and I don't want to run up on them and have them irritated, and they're like, you know what we said before about you being okay back here? Yeah, don't come back here anymore. I wouldn't blame them. You know, don't come back to where a person lives and, you know, give them a heart attack because they think you're going to run their ass over. But anyway, yeah, just enjoy me heading back to my house, guys. I'm going to let these horses sing.